Alright, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday the 12th. It is currently 4:34 in the afternoon. This morning we went for a walk. It was like a 3.5 mile walk. It was windy and unpleasant, and it is the 12th. I don't know if I said the 11th or the 12th. In any case, it is the 12th, which means it would be an Advent day. I've decided to do my Advent over on my Instagram, and you can go over there. I will link it below, and also I'll have a pop-up. That being said, today's video is a little different. I said a while back that I live in an Airbnb. So we rent a room and we have a shared kitchen and bathroom space. There is no living room, no laundry or anything like that. We, ourselves in our room, we do our laundry here by hand. We do take it to the laundromat like once every month or so, or more so, depending on how often it was worn. Anyway, so what we do is we do our laundry in a bag. It's a dry bag from the Dollarama, so it was like $2. I don't think they have them now. I think they're more of a summer thing when they have like their camping stuff out. But I'm going to show you how I do my laundry. I actually do have multiple things of laundry that need done. However, I'm just going to show you the towels right now. Alright, so what you're going to do is take your bag and put your towels in it, or laundry, whatever laundry you're doing. Awesome. And then we are going to go over to the sink and put water in it. So we put it like just above or below. Let me see if you can. So you can still see the towel above the water, but not much. And then you're going to want to take your laundry soap. After you add the soap, you want to press as much air out as you can and then roll it down. That's all going to be air. I'm going to have to get that out. Fasten it, and then you just agitate it. Alright, so now we just go and we'll set it in our room for a few hours, just let it soaking, and we'll agitate it every like 20 minutes or so. And once we are finished with that, I will show you what we do next. Alright, so it is now 11 p.m. You do not have to let it soak this long. It's just that I find it easier to let it sit and soak while I do other things. So now I'm going to drain these and rinse them out, and then wring them, and then we hang them up to dry. Fair warning, The water is probably going to be a weird color. These towels have never been washed before, so there's going to be a lot of dye in them, but there's probably also, you know, dirt because they have been used. So after you drain and rinse them and then wring them out, you'll hang them up, hang whatever, I mean any clothes up on hangers, and then you'll just hang them up in your room and let them air dry. It usually takes about, how long to air dry?
Hours. The fan makes it go a lot faster.
We set them in front of a fan, and the fan will dry everything in like 3 hours.
An hour.
An hour? Soon. It's pretty quick. It's not bad. So I'm gonna go do that, and that's all I have planned for today. So I will see you guys tomorrow.